What up, vlog? Hi. Oh God. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Good morning. Dive day. 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 No. Dive day number 2. Woo! No, but dia to whip. Dive day number 3.
Yesterday I kept sinking and hitting the coral. Thank you. Yeah, I don't remember driving through this.
Hakuna matata. Okay.
That is alphabet pasta.
Enjoy. Kuna matata.
That's too many fresh veggies. Bulgogi, ooh, that one's good.
Jumbo Marcy. Zasubui. Hey. Look, see? Look cute. He's so cute. Hi, baby.
Look at its 2 little paws.
Oh, he has a hole on his side. I wonder that's where he breathes.
Oh, he kissed you.
You want to marry me?
You can see another one here, another box down here. coffee every time, every year. We plant and then this coffee tree stay for a long time.
So the smell comes from the roasting.
The smells come from the roasting. And we're gonna
This is the one.
Number one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Baby.
A pack lunch. A lunch box. For us, we say lunch box. Okay. Passport, pocket money. As you know that last day. Oh, look at it.
Gear check, Angela. Gear check, Diane. Today's the day. We're hiking. We're starting the Kilimanjaro hike today. And do you have any words?
Bag is heavy, a lot of snacks, hot Cheetos on deck. See y'all on the other side.
You want to find out on the summit. Okay. It's fine. Macy doesn't have to smile. I feel like a superhero.
And we're off. Yay. My little blobs. We made it to the first campsite.
I haven't had hot soup on backpacking.
Hot soup.
Potato, fried potato,
Fried potato,
Fried potato.
chopped and fish.
fish, fried fish.
Day 3, baby. Wow. Wow.
Naljeans
Meant to be destroyed.
Hi, Macy.
Hello, Diane.
Hi, homies.
Look at the sun. It's so pretty. Bryson, look at the cloud looks like a mountain.
Made it to Shira 2 for night 2.
there, brush.
Day 3, baby. Currently at 14,000 feet.
They're not.
We've made it to Camp 3. But at what cost? Day 4, baby. We're hiking up this thing.
I don't know how much good it's doing, but
Wakaribishwa watu Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata, hakuna matata,
Hakuna Matata. Made it to base camp. I'm taking a video. Hey, Macy. We made it. Barely. It's been rough, but we're here. Wow.
Oh, this is kind of fun. It's like a ride at the fair.
Made it to
We didn't die.
made it to the next level of life. Day 7. Day 7. Our last day. Wow, it is really pretty. We just finished. Good job. High five. High five. We did it. Easy high five. Oi. Ah. Ah. Pa. Asante sana.
Yeah, Happy New Year to you as well. Okay.
No.
I mean, honestly.
Good morning. It's day 1 of safari. This is our cute little hostel. Wow.
I'll give you one too. Wow, we're gonna try all those fruits.
I know.
It's Angela, it's me. Oh. Hello.
Hey. So unreal.
I was just looking at that.
Okay. Wait, I love it.
Okay, asante sana. We'll be up soon.
Aww.
Papaya is also top 5. I also love papaya. You think those specks down there are animals? Or? Yeah, see there's a car that's there's like a whole herd of...
Literally not moving. Hey. See? Sitting on top of this one? Yeah. That'll good. It's like synchronized swimmers. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. How can you tell that they're bachelors?
All the chicken fingers. I really like those.
Whenever they're hungry. Literally. Why is the male alone?
Just chilling alone.
Is he okay? He's lopsided.
Yeah, it's okay. So, yes, so you put down and...
Good morning. Today is our last full day here. We leave tomorrow.
It's not same like mañana.
Okay.
Big market here.
Big market today?
So the people will sell.
Oh!
Good morning. We leave Tanzania today.
Tap in water.
Yeah.
Asante sana.
Asante sana.
Mostly asante sana.
Asante sana.
Don't tell it to anyone. Don't tell on me. I'm so tired. I want to pack.